Hey, baby Ayla. Happy birthday. Look, there's Christmas lights up. I'm here at my house. And snow. Look, it's snowing at nighttime. Isn't that awesome? Look, there's snow on the ground. Look. Yay. Wow, it's still snowing out. It's still snowing out and it's daylight. Wow, look. There's me, I'm editing this video right now for you. And see there? Look, that's a reindeer. See, there's his legs, his body, and his long neck and his head. That's a reindeer, his legs, his body, his long neck. And there's a tree branch and it collected some water at the very end of it. There's a leaf and it had water on it. It's a long tree branch and there's water on it, and the reindeer went, there's his body, he's got legs, a tail, a bushy tail, and a long neck and a head, and he's drinking the water from the leaf at the top of the branch. And there's another branch of water that if there's a big long giraffe somewhere, which there isn't, or some, big animal like a giraffe, they can drink from there, from that water. But there's nobody tall enough, so the water drips down to here, onto this branch leaf, and then it makes more water and the deer can drink it off of that branch. And this is a candy cane with lights at the top. And this looks like Santa's sleigh. But there's the deer, there's a branch with water at the top of it, and the deer's drinking. Christmas lights. It's snow. Hi. Look, it's snowing out. Yay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay, you're 2 years old. Yay. To walk in the snow. Look, this is snow. That's my house. Hi. That's my house. And look, that's the other house that I have that everybody could visit one time and play in. I can make it a playroom for Rowan and Ivan and you. Hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay, Ayla's 2 years old. December 9th. That's your birthday. Look at this. Look at the Christmas lights. Christmas lights. Yay! It's snowing. Happy birthday. Yay! It's snowy. We're way out here in the woods. Look, there's a little log cabin down there. A man that lives in there. And I live here in this house. And that's my house too. And it has Christmas lights on it. Okay. Yay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I got you the Christmas lights. Wow. Happy birthday, you're 2 years old, too. Look, it's snowing. It's snowing out. Hi. Look. I'm gonna go in. Mwah. Look at that eye. Wow. She loves it. Look, she has the whole bed to herself. Look, she's innocent. She sleeps on the bed. She has the whole bed to herself, sleeping on the pillow like a person. She's good. I'm gonna pet her. She's good. She's good. She's innocent. Look at her little paw. Oops. Little paws. Look, I'm gonna tuck her in. Go to sleep. She's going to sleep. She's innocent. has the whole bed to herself. She's going to sleepy. She's good.